You're all ready to go? Yes. So Neha, she has the first question. Yes, Neha. Neha, are you there?
Yes, I would like to know about my marriage.
What would you like to know about your marriage?
When will it happen?
See, your marriage is showing delayed here, and there is a possibility of further delay with the marriage because we see a lot of complications, a lot of blocks coming from your side here in the marriage. So what it is saying, you just need to get ready first for the marriage. So you're not ready, your mind is not ready for the marriage yet. And it can also get delayed by more 2 to 3 years. So once you are able to come into this accepting of the marriage, then it can happen. So right now it is showing delay of 2 to 3 years, but if you work on yourself, it can also happen earlier.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Yeah, Dimple.
Yeah, thank you, Deepti. Hello, Dr. Preeti.
Hello.
So I want to ask about, how long it will take me to access Akashic record because I have been trying, but I got to know due to past life obligation, I'm not able to access. I have been working on this and I want to know how much progress I have made and to get a quick success in this, what modality or what kind of healing I should go for and how many sessions it will take for me now.
I think, did you hear it properly? Because there was a lot of disturbance.
Yeah, Dimple, two things. If you could ask again and if you could rephrase your question too, because there were too many questions in this. So if you could ask, what is it that you're looking for?
Sure. I want to access Akashic report. I did the course, but I'm not able to access due to my past life obligation. This is what I got to know. So I want to ask that how much progress I have made and by when I will be able to read the reports. And if for solution, any modality or any.
Dimple, wait. One question. So either we would be able to answer that to like when can you start doing Akashic record, or we can answer like how much progress you have made, or else we can answer like what modality will suit you. Which one you want right now?
So by when I'll be able to access the reports?
All right. So instead of when you will be able to access the record, we'll check why you're not able to access the record.
Sure.
All right. So in that we'll get the answer of when also.
Sure.
See, there is a lot of consciousness that is being, basically what it is showing here is there's a lot of consciousness that needs to come back again here. And you're already being guided. There's a lot of guidance going on. You're already on the right path, nothing to worry about it. The only thing is like you need to go more deep into your intuition. And that is already happening, but it is not happening to the core. So try to go more deeper into you before you get to into the records thing, or maybe your intuition and all start coming to you. You have to go more deeper into it. So it might take around 6 to 7 months if you start from now.
Okay.
But it is saying that already there's a lot of guidance happening. So you need to understand that guidance. And there's also possibility that in your dreams, you'll get a lot of signs. And don't stick to one thing. If someone is saying, okay, it is coming only because of past life regression, don't stick to it. Try to understand how you can come out of it. Try to understand your intuition. Try to trust yourself as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Vishal?
Yeah, Dr. Kiti, this is Vishal. I had sent the question on the chat if you're able to see it, or you want me to read it out.
Yeah, it could be better if you read it out, because like, what would you like to know? So you said you want to know if it is anything serious, should I help?
Yeah.
So what is that, So what do you want to know? Is this anything serious about the person, or should you help the
Anything
person or
serious
not?
about what he did? Is it something which which actually was an ethical issue, or what was the thing I wanted to understand?
See, we are not going to answer for the third person, but definitely we can answer you this, whether it will be appropriate for you to help him or not.
Okay.
Right. So are you okay telling the name of the person?
Name of the person is Ajinkya.
Okay. So is it good for you to? No. Divine is saying not to support him at all. Let him go onto the path, let him do what is happening in his life. He need to understand a lot of things, so let the things come by its own.
Okay, sure. Thanks, Doctor.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Mayuri? Mayuri? Mayuri, are you there?
Yes. I wanted to inquire. You see, for the last 2 years, I've been facing one health problem after the other, and I have 2 homeopaths with whom I'm taking my treatment. Somehow, when I do this, it's okay for a while, and then again it comes back. I mean, there's several. I mean, one thing after the other. So, would you advise me as to what I should do? Probably I could give you the names of both the homeopaths also.
Okay. Yeah, tell the name.
Okay, one is Dr. Nancy Matthew, and the other is Dr. Geeta Ganatra. And when, at what point will these health problems be eliminated?
Okay, go with Nancy. And there's a lot of body care that is needed. If you do that, you will be able to come out of it.
Sorry, come again.
If you take a lot of care of yourself with the trust inside you, with that love and the enjoyment and all, then you will be able to come out of it.
Okay, and how soon will that be?
It depends on your care. It is showing body care. That completely depends on the care that you start. First, you have to start giving that care. Then you can expect the time out of that.
Start giving the, sorry?
First, you have to start giving the care to the body that is needed, that love, trust, and care to the body. Then the time will come up.
Okay, and you suggest that it will be Dr. Nancy, not Dr. Geeta?
Dr. Nancy is coming today.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Manjari?
Yeah, hello, Dr. Kirti.
Hello.
I am planning to buy a piece of land for a small farm and a little farmhouse. And I'm going to visit there tomorrow. Just wanted to know if it is okay to proceed with the buying of that land.
All right. So can you tell me the city it is into?
Sorry, Dr. Kirti, I missed that.
Which city you are buying?
Yeah, I'm buying a piece of land, which is a agricultural land actually.
City, I want city name. Which city you are buying?
It is near Karjat. It is near Khopoli.
Okay. It's brilliant. See, the card has automatically come out and the card is saying the guidance. You have been guided to this land and this land is promising a lot of abundance to you. So go ahead with it.
Actually.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So there is a direct question from Geeta. And
Yes,
Geeta, the answer is yes. Yes, the things has happened in your house as well.
I see. Okay,
All
ma'am.
right.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Yeah, Saloni?
Yeah, hi, Dr. Kirti.
Hello.
There is this person that I really like, but he keeps giving me mixed signals, and I'm not really sure. And I've been wasting a lot of my time and energy, and I've been feeling very shitty because of that. So, could you tell me if this person is right for me?
Tell the name of the person.
Ramana.
See, this person is right for you, but the person is not ready for the commitment, or the person is not ready to move ahead in life. Not only with you, with anything, the person is not ready. There's a lot of blockages in the person. I won't say the person is wrong, but right now the person is not right as well. So it's better you start giving more time to yourself and your things and see how things unfolds. Don't go away from him, neither get too much merged into it.
Okay. All right. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
you're welcome.
Yes, Nikita.
Hello, Dr. Kirti.
Hello.
So basically, this week itself, I had a fall and I broke my ankle and I've twisted it as well. And I have to undergo a surgery. And yesterday, I also got a news that the rented house that we are living in, we may have to shift soon because the landlord wants to sell it off. So I don't know why, but I'm a little disillusioned and I see some connection somewhere, but I'm not able to figure out what is all of this. Is it all interlinked, or what is the next course of action in store for me?
See, there are new changes coming up in your life. New beginnings are coming in your life. The direct card that has come in the guidance is new beginnings. So because somewhere you were not making the changes, so universe has to give you the changes in this way. So it is interlinked for your own benefits and for your own new beginnings. So it's good that, because sometimes what will happen when you prolong a thing, then universe has to take steps in this way. So this steps has been taken because it was already pre-decided for the new openings and new beginnings here. So it's a positive sign, positive changes, enjoy it, be with it, and grow as much as possible into this.
I mean, are you trying to say this surgery or the breaking of my ankle is indicating to some new transformation?
Yes, yes. There are a lot of things that you're not moving ahead in your life. There are a lot of things that you're blocking in your life that has created this injuries, and the shifting of the house is happening because there are a lot of new beginnings coming in your way. So it has already, new chapter is starting already.
Okay, so there is a indication that I will have to shift the house as well.
Yes, you have to. If suppose your owner says not to shift, also you shift now.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes, Dolly. Dolly, you're muted.
Morning, Dr. Kirti.
Good morning.
Yeah. Actually, I want to ask for my daughter. Her name is Bhavna. Can I ask for a third person?
Your daughter, yes, you can. Not for some stranger.
No, for my own daughter.
Yes,
I've been looking for an alliance from the past 4 years. Okay, but things have been happening, and some things even have been happening and coming to almost to a verge of the boy saying yes, or my daughter saying yes, and then suddenly it just moves off. And astrologically, Bhavna is going through a period of some 7.5-year dosha or something, which is coming, and
that is
and next June.
Sarisati.
Yeah, Sarisati, exactly. So now the journey's become like, now she's already 30, doctor. So my search for her, because she doesn't have anybody, so I'm wondering whether I'm moving the right way, or what is in store for her in the future.
So first thing I would like to say,
a boy yesterday, day before I got from Hong Kong, and he's in Singapore, and it so happens that she can't meet him because of this lockdown, because of the quarantine, and the borders are closed. So everywhere now, because of the COVID also, everything is getting extended. So I'm
Yes.
just wondering whether I'm in the right direction and when will it happen?
All right. So first thing I would like to correct you here is like, I don't know who has told you that Saraswati does not give marriage. Saraswati actually gives marriage. So people who are not getting married also get married during Saraswati period.
Okay.
So Saraswati does not block marriage at all. So
Okay,
there could be something else in the astrology that could be blocking the marriage, not to Saraswati.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll see about her marriage. Her name is Bhavna, right? See, there is a lot of spiritual growth that is happening into her, and somewhere deep down, she is manifesting marriage not to happen. Even though she's saying yes consciously, but deep down, her marriage is not happening because there is a block that is manifestation that is happening from her side itself. So it's subconsciously it is happening, if not consciously. So she has other dreams, other things to move. Like somewhere she's feeling, her path is somewhere will clash with the marriage path. So you know better that what is going on in her life, and there's a lot of spiritual growth is also seen here. The card automatically spelled out that was spiritual growth. So there's a lot of growth and a lot of thing into her, lot of hidden energies into her that has not yet been explored, and she will be exploring it soon. So when she's getting in touch with her own self, then there is a possibility that she can manifest the marriage as well. So somewhere the marriage is delayed because somewhere it is not seen right now. So the time has not yet come.
Yeah, it's a very mere coincidence, Dr. Kirti, that she has started working on herself today, on her growth.
Yes.
It's just, I mean, you saying it, and she's in a session right now on her spiritual journey. I mean, on getting in touch with herself. So you mean to say getting in touch with herself will manifest her the right partner for her? Is that what I understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So when she's ready from within, when her subconscious is ready, everything what she's going through is the soul plan. So when her soul will get ready for this, it will happen automatically. So you're on right path, she's on right path. So don't worry.
Thank you, Dr. Kirti. God bless you so much.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Yeah, Ranjita.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, Ranjita, boliye.
Ma'am, my question
Yeah, we can
is
hear
that,
you, Ranjita.
yes, ma'am. My question is that, right now I'm staying in Noida. I've come here for my treatment. So it's long time I haven't gone to my home. It's in Guwahati. So the thing is, I want to go home in between October, November. So people over here, they're telling me that don't go, third wave is coming, you might get stuck. So I'm a bit worried because I'm here for my treatment. For me, it's important to stay here, but I'm missing home also. So can you see that if I go, I might get stuck or not, or it's just, or I should delay?
All right. Don't worry, you can go and come, no problem at all.
Okay.
You can go and
Thank
come,
you.
plan it out.
Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, hello, Dr. Kirti. How are you? Am I audible?
Hello, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
fine.
you are.
Yes, actually, I want to ask a question about my brother, Deepak Singhal. Actually, he shifted that job on a high designation, but at the same salary. So now he's confused. He want to ask me whether I will to increase the salary, whether I will switch the job or continue in this company, or they will recognize their efforts and just increase the salary, or he will change some location, or like whatever you suggest
So
to
may I know
increase
the
in the
name?
salary maybe.
Yes, may I know the name?
Deepak Singhal.
So he's your
brother, younger brother.
see, ask him to wait for some time. All right, and then we'll see how it goes, because right now the things are going according to how it has to go. So when there is a growth of money is not seeing, somewhere there is a block that is happening towards, pleasures of the life, right? So you need to
Can you
understand
repeat?
that. So there is somewhere the block that is happening through the pleasures of the life. Somewhere
Pleasure of life.
Joy. Yes. So somewhere there is a block that is coming from the pleasures of the life. So it's better for him to first understand what exactly he's looking for in his life. So this is the reason why we say it's always good for the person to come directly and ask the question. The reason is when we say this, the person can relate to what is happening and it gets much clearer, the card.
Yeah, he said he's in doubt actually, not able to understand what to do.
Yes, there's
So is there
confusion going on. But
so is
ask him, one second. So first the thing is ask him to be what it is as it is right now for, another, until January.
Okay.
Until then, he will get lot of things. He will get lot of guidance. He will get, lot of opportunities that he's looking for. So till January, he will have lot of things to change or to move or to be into the same company where he's going wrong. So he'll get a lot of clarity for everything that is happening.
Okay. And with block this pleasure of time, what do you mean by this pleasure of time?
Somewhere is not able to enjoy the life. Either he's too much into enjoyment or he's not able to enjoy either of the two. So both the things are blocking him.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
So if he would have been online, he would have understood what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. No, even when I will say, he will understand.
Yeah, no, this is something like, he will understand. If not, he can take a private session then.
Okay. Sure.
Right.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It seems like we are done with the questions for today, right on time today. So thank you so much, everybody, for being here. And thank you, Dr. Kirti. I've put in the WhatsApp link on the chat in case anybody who's here is not part of the group. And they can be part of that. Yeah. So we'll see you on Monday for the inner child healing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Kirti.
Have a great day. You're welcome.
Have a lovely weekend.
Thank
you, Dr. Kirti.
You're welcome.